Everyone, what's up? This is Alvin Mark. Welcome to the art channel. We are outdoors, actually we're overseas in a place called Penang in Malaysia, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. The plane ride is only about 1 hour 20 minutes from Singapore. It was my first flight ever since the lockdown from 2020, and it was a smooth journey.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Penang International Airport. We have arrived on time as scheduled. There is no time difference between Singapore and Penang. The local time now is 10:22 in the morning.
Welcome to Penang, everyone. What's up? This is Alvin Mark, and lots of cafes to explore. It feels a little bit more humid than Singapore, fewer trees around. There are some, but it's still generally a bit warmer here. But that's not gonna stop me from making those sketches outdoors. I'm here in Penang with some of my friends, sketcher friends from the urban sketching group in Singapore. We're at Lebuh, Kimberley. This is going to be my first real sketch here in Penang. It's been a while since I've been here, and I'm really happy and grateful that I'm able to just hop on by, come here and sketch. I just cannot get enough of sketching people doing their thing behind the scenes, especially with the bowls, the pots, utensils, bits and pieces of food lying around. To be able to capture the details in real time is one of the most rewarding and satisfying thing to make. I will look out for more of these to sketch. What subject brings you most joy when you head off for a sketch? Okay, so we're gonna cross the street right now to meet up with the other sketchers. We're gonna meet up with some of the sketchers from Urban Sketches Penang. Watch out for that! Okay, I guess Tosun Cafe is taking a break today. I'm going to try again tomorrow. I adjourned to this bubble tea shop, Chagee Tea. Yes, I think they have a few outlets in Singapore too. And the reason why I'm only there is because I'm just passing by it, and I was able to cool off in there, and of course sip some cooling tea and make a few sketches until the temperature outside drops significantly. Thank you, Sok, for this refreshing jasmine peach tea. Remember, you can get me a bubble tea from Buy Me Coffee. Guess what I found out online? You can check out their awesome store animation intro in the link that I will provide in the description box down below. We stayed at the Carnarvon House, a well-conserved 140-year-old heritage building. It's at the edge of the center of Georgetown, but still within walking distance away from sites and attractions. Both private and shared rooms are available. I definitely give this place a thumbs up for those who would like to stay in a heritage house. Dinner time, so many choices here in Georgetown. We decided to meet at the most popular one. We're on Lebuh, Chulia, and they were formerly actually on the main road, but everyone had to move where there's more space now for the vendors here to serve the public. So let's enjoy our food. Alvin Mark here. It's time to eat and sketch. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying Penang like how I am. Thank you so much for joining me on this trip and for supporting me in various ways on this channel. Much love. Subscribe if you haven't and activate the notification so that you will know when part 2 comes out. I'm working on it so you get to enjoy it at some point. So until then, ciao ciao for now.